So next step. Now look at this. I want you guys to focus on this tab here. It's designing the website. I've not even spent more than 5 minutes, I guess, building this thing, but you're just going to see how it's going to build this puppy up, right? Amazing stuff. And so for me, why I'm sharing this is not to get your website designer fired or anything of the sort. This is going to make their work much more easy, or make their job much more easy, and help them focus on other things, maybe like adding plugins, like adding um, heat map software and things like that, that will help measure how many visitors are coming in, add search engine optimization tools and things like that. So you can always come in and preview this, but because of time, I'll just use a simple example here. Let me see. What can I go with? I'll I'll do this one. And these are all editable, by the way. You can all edit these softwares. You can, sorry, templates. You can edit these and have them used on your website. The only thing you need to do here is just go to domain.com, buy or check if there's availability for. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. All editable, right? Look at that. And everything is in there. Everything is in there. You can add a video testimony of your clients, right? And here, like I said, you can add a domain name, and you've built your website, guys. Like, this is how easy it is to build a website just using software. So go check out GetResponse, purchase a plan if you have to, if you must, and then get started. Go build for yourself a website. For more videos like this, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, let's share. Ask questions if you have any. Reach out to me in the DM. Reach out to me by phone number. It's in my bio, and let's connect. Let's have fun, but most importantly,